Another company plans to open car assembly plant in Cambodia. Chinese company Jilin Jiqi Longshan Light Vehicle Company, Limited has expressed its intention to invest in the installation of light vehicles in the Special Economic Zone in Cambodia to supply the domestic market and reach the lead. More to come in the future. This project was mentioned by the president of the company in a meeting with Lok Chumteav Chamnimol, Minister of Commerce on May 30, 2024. In response, the minister warmly welcomed and requested the company to explore the possibility of further understanding the procedure for applying for investment in special economic zones through the Council for the Development of Cambodia to receive incentives in accordance with Cambodian investment law. Please be informed that Cambodia currently has 6 car assembly factories, including 1. Factory of DAEHAN Auto, Cambodia, Co., Limited, started operation in 2022, in Svay Rieng Province, production of SAMYUNG cars. 2. Factory of RMA Automotive, Cambodia, Co. Limited, starting in 2022, in Pursat Province, production of Ford cars. 3. Factory of Camco Motor Co., Limited, starting in 2022, in Koh Kong Province, production of Hyundai cars. 4. Factory of HGB Motors Assembly Co., Limited, starting in 2023, in Banti Meanchey Province, KAA car production. 5. Factory of GTV Motor Co., Limited, in Kandal Province. 6. Toyota Tsusho plant in Phnom Penh Special Economic Zone assembles Toyota Fortuner and Hilux, officially inaugurated in early May 2024.